Can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view.
Everybody, we just summited what they call Old Baldy at Garner State Park, just outside of Leakey, Texas. And let me tell you, try not to do this at 1 o'clock in the afternoon because it is warm. But other than that, these views are spectacular, nice and cool, probably 75 degrees today. Highly recommended.
Definitely recommend, but don't wear no black shirts. Definitely don't come here at 1. Be honest, I vomited, got too hot, black shirt, 1 p.m. This place is absolutely gorgeous.
These minnows are like right here.
Guys, Garner State Park is absolutely beautiful. We did 2 hikes so far being here. Yesterday we did Old Baldy and we discussed about that, and if you do go and do that hike, we do recommend that you don't go alone. You have somebody with you because the hike is pretty scary and steep. Today we did, what was the hike called that we did today?
Crystal Cave, and
so we did the Crystal Cave
Painted Rock.
today, and it was absolutely amazing. It had the painted rock on it, and then the cave, one of the ladies at the stores, she did tell me at the Crystal Cave there was a bath that she has yet to see there, which sadly we missed the cave because there were some kids on their trip there, and they were sitting around the cave, so we ended up missing it, going past it, going to the painted rocks instead, which it was all perfect. The scenery was just amazing. It's just, you just have to come out here and experience. The water is just beautiful. And where we're at right now and where Tyler is at in the water, this is behind our campsite. It's, I'm gonna say maybe like not even 10 to 20 steps behind our campsite. It's just gorgeous. There's nobody else here. And then the spot that we are at, they called it the Old Garner. So it is pretty chill at Live Oak. It's amazing. We really didn't have that many people here. I know all the spots were reserved from what it said on the sites, but they actually weren't. I think we had, in our area, we had maybe a total of 20 people. So there was a whole bunch of spots open, but it was gorgeous. And then the spots that we're at is just very calm, quiet. I don't know how else to describe it. You really just have to come out here and check it out. And this is our first trip. We're going full time in our RV. And the best thing about it was yesterday we got to go see some bats from the cave. And I'll share a picture also in this next clip. And we were able to meet Gills on Wheels. Definitely go check their page out, follow them on their journey as well. They have been full time. I want to say, Patty said 2 years now. They are amazing, sweetest couple ever. We love them. And we're going to meet them again next week along with Tiny Texan Adventure.